For today's video, I want to talk a little bit about kiln wash. Kiln wash is often a mixture of EPK, calcined EPK, silica, and/or alumina hydrate. For starters, you want to make sure to grind or lightly chisel or chip any glaze off the shelves before applying kiln wash. If your previous kiln wash is older and beginning to flake or crack, then you should rake or scrape it off before applying fresh kiln wash. My previous coats were a little thin, but from the same brand and mixture, so I just added more coats this time. In this video, I'm using a pre-mixed kiln wash and gauging the ratio by eye. You want your kiln wash to be about the consistency of skim milk. I started by weighing out the dry material and then adding water. Once applied and given the necessary time to dry, your shelves now need to run in your kiln to set the kiln wash. It's recommended to run them to your usual highest temperature, but I personally have had similar results running them to bisque as cone 6. Kiln wash is a simple and at times necessary step to prolonging the lifespan of your kiln shelves. The main purpose of kiln wash is to add a layer of removable coating that protects your shelves from any glaze drips or flakes. I personally like to add tape around the edges when applying kiln wash to ensure I don't accidentally rub and cause kiln wash flakes to fall onto any of the pieces in the kiln, as it could be an issue if it were to happen with glaze pieces. There are other methods, but I find kiln wash to be a tried and true method that doesn't easily fail. Lastly, one thing to note is that you shouldn't mix different brands of kiln wash or mixtures, as they can lead to immediate and extreme flaking. If you enjoyed this video, please like and consider subscribing to get notified when I upload any new videos. Thank you for watching.